Okay, time to do some sketch shaper work. This experimental V-block, it's a little tricky because it's a reach way down in there and not a lot of clearance. So we've got a stop here and a stop here for safety on our travel. Just been double checking everything, so fingers crossed we're going to give it a shot. Trying to clean up this V-block. The bottom is all distorted for some reason. The cutter that the guy was using, something happened to it and it really messed up the cut. So hopefully this will work. It's starting to clean up a little bit. This bottom is really irregular. Taking very light cuts because we're kind of sketchy with our work holding. Alright, looks like we're going to get it cleaned up on this pass. We're going to have to do a second setup to get that little hump in the bottom there. If you see that. Yeah, we'll get both of the main V-bottoms squared away, and then we'll deal with that little hump afterwards. Second side, same as the first. Last bottom pass on the second side.
This is Chuck talking on Dean's channel. That's my part in there that he is fixing for me, getting it ready for the surface grinder. So this is the final cleanup for that bottom there. It's working great.
Yeah, we're getting the bottom cleaned up. Almost done with this pass. We may have to take one more little spring pass. We had a little goof up on the other one. We forgot to check the clearance to the clapper box, and the clapper box caught the edge of the part, lifted it up out of the vise, and cut a little groove in there. We're hoping it'll grind out because this is going to get ground afterwards, but it may have a little witness mark still in there. But it's been an interesting project. One other screw up is the packer there in the vise. We should have had it the other way around. Should have had the part up against the jaw with the packer on the other side. There was just so much to think about trying to get this set up that that one slipped our minds.
Yeah, and as we tried to figure out what tooling to use, we spent a little bit of time chasing tooling.
Yeah, it's not easy to find something that'll fit in there and clear.
You did it though.
Chuck's going to grind this anyway, so we're not going to go any farther, but we got just an ever so slight step here. As you see, we didn't take out the our blew up area there, but I think we're going to leave well enough alone. And unfortunately, we got a goof up over here on this side. Don't know if that'll grind out or not, but it is what it is at this point.